Hello guys, so today we are going to create a timer or the countdown in Unity, and it is a very cool and nice timer. And timer is used in multiple game, or I think in every game with some conditions or in some features. Okay, first I'm going to create a canvas. Just go to canvas scaler and make it scale with the screen size. Select the render mode to screen space camera. Okay, then we are going to assign the render camera here like this. Okay, and after this we are going to create the script and assign the functionality to it so that it will automatically uh, just okay. Now without wasting time, I'm just going to create a new C# script. Name it timer script. Okay, so just create a new imptgame object, name it timer, and then assign this script here. And now select the canvas and go to UI and create a new text like this. And now I'm going to set the position of text like just increase the size to 300. Okay, make it center, increase the font size here. Okay, so just 16 by 9. Select the text and justify it by top center. Then okay, so make it here. Okay, so now next thing I'm going to do is change the color to white. Okay, so now you can see our text is looking good. Also we can reduce the font size if we are if needed. Okay, then assign this script to our timer object and then open it in Visual Studio. Okay, so first thing we are going to do, we are going to create a public float, time remaining, time remaining. Okay, it should be like 10. And the second thing is public pool. It is timer is on, timer is running, and by default it should be false. And the next thing is public text, but we need to call the dependency for Unity engine.ui, this one, text, and name it time text. Okay, so now we go outside and set these three variables like here. Okay, now in a start function we will make the timer is running to true. Okay, like this, and then we go to the update function here, and first of all we just check if the timer is running true or not. So if the timer is running equal true, then we will run this part of code. So okay, here we again call a function condition if time remaining is greater than 0, means countdown is not ended. So here we do think time remaining minus equal to time dot delta time. Okay, and also yeah, and in the else condition here we just do two things like time remaining equal to 0 and yeah, timer is running equal to false. Okay, like this, and okay, now I'm going to create another function for printing the value. So I create a public void display timer. Okay, so we also need a reference here for so float time to display. Okay, and inside it we just write a thing time to display, where it is, time to display plus equal to 1. Okay, and then create a new float, name it minutes, and it will be like a math function dot float to int. Okay, and here we do time to display by 60. Okay, and another float, it will be seconds, and it will be like math function dot float to int time to display, and we will get a reminder of it by dividing by 60. Okay, and the last thing we will do, we will do the set the text, time text dot text is equal to string, so string dot format. So here we are going to format the string. So here we are like this, and then oh, not here, here minute and seconds. Let's terminate the line. Okay, so I think everything is done, and we need to call this function every time when the, and also we pass the time remaining. Okay, so I think everything is done, and on end of the countdown we will just print the log. Game over. Okay, so let's check whether it is working or not. So first I'm going to set the timer to 10, and later we will just change the value of it. Okay, so you can see uh, but the value is not updating. So just go here and check this function. Okay, and I think here should be one. Okay, so you can see the timer is working fine according to seconds. So the next thing we are going to do, I'm just going to set the time remaining to 300 or 2 to 1 second. So you can see it will automatically convert into minute second like this. 342 means 3 minutes and 40 second, and it is working fine. You can also add the functions according to your countdown or other thing, and after the timer will end there will be a debug log of end function. So this is very simple timer. Now I'm going to show you what will happen when the timer will be ended. So I'm going to set the 18-second timer. Okay, so let's wait for complete the 18 second. Now it is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you can see the game over is triggered at the same time. So if you like this tutorial, please subscribe the channel and please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much.